So something that really sets LandGuys apart from other brokerages in Wisconsin is, as a company, we're kind of a complete package as far as being able to train and support our agents. It's very critical that agents are comfortable in their skin with what they're doing. We have the internal workings with help with filling out contracts correctly, staying compliant, even as far as support with creating media. We've got in-house media editors, people that are into the creative design aspect, social media. All of that is in place with LandGuys, and it's as simple as asking for it. So what makes now the right time to join the LandGuys team? Pretty simply, we're in expansion mode. We have some very good agents in the state, but we have some gaps that we need to fill strategically. And once they're filled, there's not a lot of turnover with LandGuys, which is an indication of overall job satisfaction amongst the agents here. And so if you're in a particular place that we could use an agent, that's a major, major plus for us. So what advice would I give somebody that's considering a career change in real estate, particularly if you're interested in selling land? Do it. If land is your passion, if the outdoor lifestyle is your passion, you'd be silly not to pursue that passion. And I always say, to truly be at your best in any sales or service industry, you have to love what you're doing and who you're doing it for. At LandGuys, I think you'll find both.